Local news for Monday the 17th of December. Applications for the South Wairarapa District Creative Community Scheme are being accepted until the 28th of next year. This is for arts projects commencing after the 19th of March, with approximately $6,000 available for distribution to suitable art projects. 9 community groups have collectively received funding of $129,000 over 3 years through a Greater Wellington Regional Council contestable fund to help restore and protect local biodiversity. A South Wairarapa group has been given money to restore native plants on the shores of Lake Okarua in the lagoon there in South Wairarapa. Construction of Carterton District Council's wastewater storage reservoirs is underway, following the appointment of a contractor to undertake the works. The successful tenderer was Central Hawke's Bay Earth Movers Limited of Waipukaro, with the contract scheduled to be completed by the end of May 2019. And the Wairarapa Bush Sevens team fought hard over the weekend but went down to Northland in the Shield final 35 points to 12.